We're a hairdressing salon and we're in the Darlington town centre. We do male and females. We're quite contemporary with what we do.
We use the Sage 50 accounts package currently at the moment. It basically, our whole entire accounting, costings, everything, sales, everything goes through our accounting package. Well, everything that goes through our bank account or anything goes straight into Sage, straight into all the different cost codes. So I can say to Joe, oh, do you know that you spent X, Y and Z in TG products a lot more than you have last month? And Joe can look in and see if we were charged the right amount, have we ordered the right amount of stock. So we're constantly looking at costs because, as you know, when you start up a new business, that's what you've got to keep an eye on. Setting up the Sage 50 accounts is just so easy to install because it just basically comes on a disk format. You pop the disk in your computer and there's everything for you, and you've got the manual to refer to. And then because I'd done the beginner's class prior to installing it on our computer, I knew exactly how to set it all up. I've got all my training manuals to refer back to as well, but even if you hadn't done the training, it would be really easy to use because it's just a step-by-step process. The Sage 50 accounts package breaks everything down. It's just so simple to use, from the user-friendly screens. Absolutely everything is so user-friendly, and if you've made a mistake, it's really easy to go back in and correct yourself on the correction screen. It just breaks it down into a really simple process. It's really easy to break it down and to split and see what we're spending on, where we're overspending, where we can bring costs down. Well, if the accountant's recommending a software package and they know the business and how it runs, it just seemed, like a perfect recommendation. If it's from an accountancy firm that are recommending Sage 50 accounts package, for me there just wasn't another package to look into. We just went straight for it, really. The contribution that Sage 50 accounts make is our lifeline. Everything goes through, I know I keep repeating, but everything literally goes through the accounts package. Without the accounts package, we can't do the final accounts. We don't know how much we're spending each month, every day. So it literally is our lifeline. With not having a background in accountancy, I just thought we had to have the Sage cover as well as the Sage 50 accounts package, just because if you've ever got a question or a query, you can just ring up and somebody in the call centre is more than happy to help, and I've never had to have them ring me back or anything. It's always been an answer on the phone, and they go through it and make sure that you've been able to do it while you've been on the phone to them. So yeah, I would strongly recommend it if you've never used an accounts package before as well. Absolutely, I mean the supplier function that we use in Sage 50 accounts is under the cost centre for TG, which all our products go through, so it also helps us with stock take as well. So everything goes through there. We know what we're spending each month and they tally up with all the invoices that Joe presents. So we know what we're spending, what we should be cutting back on, what we've used, what's sold well. For me, not having an accounting background, Sage 50 accounts just makes it so simple. It's so easy to use. I would definitely recommend having software that has support and to take the support side on the package, and the marketing literature to support it that you can refer back to is just excellent, and it's just so user friendly. It's just so easy to use. I know I keep saying it, but it is someone who's not from an accounting background.
It's easy for me who has nothing at all to do with accounting, no business background, even I can use it. So
I'd strongly recommend them, especially the cover.